Greetings and welcome back to Pinball Help. Mike here. I'm continuing work with my lovely assistant there, helping do some touch-up on this spot in the middle of the playfield that I don't know what happened to it. It's almost like some chunk was taken out of it. So Brandy here has done really good at filling it in. You can't even hardly see. Now it's wet, right? So it's going to get darker when it dries.
A little bit, yeah.
And you said it looks like they used nail polish.
Metallic nail polish.
I was wondering why it kind of had a silvery sheen to it. So somebody used nail polish to touch it up, and I guess that's one approach. So we can zoom in now and you'll see. Let's see. I can. So there we have it. Can't seem to get too tight into it, other than right about there. But that'll dry and it'll get a little bit darker and it should look a lot better. We'll be following along and see the progress. So stay tuned for more.